G'day guys, my name's iRideTaz and today it's quite exciting. We're going to install this generic eBay silencer or muffler on my GS500E modern cafe racer project. Guys, this is the generic eBay muffler I bought. It was 55 bucks. It's branded M4. There's a whole bunch of different sellers that sell this, and it can come in silver as well. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. The quality of this is actually extraordinarily high for the money that I've paid. It's going to be loud. It's got very little baffling in it, but that's fine. We don't care. I live in a rural environment. It'll be great to sort of change the sound of my bike from a sewing machine to something that demands respect is going to be cool. You get with it this stainless steel cone, and it can adapt to different inside diameters of exhaust pipe by being beveled. I think from memory it was 34 to 58 or something like that, and we're gonna give it a go and see if it'll fit on the GS500. In the kit you also get some clips that need to be welded on, so this is certainly not a slip-on exhaust. You need some cutting and some welding, but you get some clips and some springs to pull it all tight. But we're also going to mount it to the stock bracket. Today's video is going to break into a couple of different sections. We're going to cut off the stock exhaust, position and measure the new one, weld on the adjustment cone, weld on the clips, install it, and then annoy the neighbours. I can't wait, it's going to be great. Guys, what we're going to do is take off this exhaust, cut it here to give us some room to play with, and then work out where it needs to go and probably cut it back here. Once we've got the rough length, we're going to install that, weld it, and then ultimately that'll go there, and we'll weld on some clips, corresponding clips top and bottom, to put the springs on and pull it all tight, and job's a good one. Guys, that didn't quite go to plan, but I'm not sure I dislike what's come out of it either, so ultimately we're going to put it on the bike. The trouble I had was that thin stainless steel adapter cone. It was very difficult to weld. It kept sort of, even on the lowest setting, it kept blowing holes in it. So what I did was just cut off the sort of factory pipes, put the silencer just after the mixer where the pipe narrowed down to sort of a point where it would just slide on. I welded that on. I gave it a quick coat of heat-proof black paint. We're going to chuck it on and hopefully it works. It's going to tuck right up in underneath the bike. I think it'll look alright, but it's not quite what I had in mind either. So we'll just see how it goes. Guys, what started as a bit of a failure through not being able to really successfully weld that real thin stainless steel adjustable cone has ended up turning into something quite custom, really cool, and it sounds amazing. Let's fire it up. Not sure if anyone's going to mistake it for a sewing machine anymore. It's loud, but it's not obnoxious, and it's still relatively deep. I don't think it's high-pitched and tinny, raspy, so that's a positive. I just put a little cable tie just up there to sort of just help support it, but it's really very firmly mounted there. Tucked up out of the way. I don't think I'll ever be able to scrape it. It's probably no lower than what the stock exhaust was anyway, and I didn't scrape that. Yeah, so what could have ended up being quite a failure has turned out to be quite a success. Please feel welcome to like the video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, but generally I upload videos for Saturday, 7 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you want to support the channel further, just go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. That would be amazing. The small amount of revenue I get through Buy Me a Coffee buys things to help the channel, and that helps you guys enjoy the video more. Yeah, it's a great cycle. But guys, till I see you next time, I'm not sure what I'll do next, but maybe something a little bit better planned. My name's iRideTaz. I'm out.